guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can go ahead and join my little YouTube family. So we're here doing our Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the month of July. I know I'm posting it a little late, but you know what, I just received it, so here we go. So it's still sealed, as you guys can tell, so I don't know what we have in there. Let me just go ahead and grab some scissors. Just a little reminder, if you guys have never seen a Boxycharm unboxing, which I'm pretty sure you guys have because it's been around for a long time, this runs for $21 a month. It's a subscription box, so you go ahead and sign up at boxycharm.com. You pay your $21, and depending, I don't know if it's depending on when you purchase the box, that's when they charge you, or if it's every first of the month. I'm not 100% sure, but you do get your box around the same time each month. Goes to say, but I got it a little bit late this month. Anyways, so as soon as you open, we have the little Hello Gorgeous in the inside, and then it has their little Boxycharm handles for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat. So this is what the inside looks like. It has a little Boxycharm card, and on the card typically it has like little coupon codes or things like that. So this one does have for Wonder Beauty 20% off, and then it has pharmacy for 20% off. So I'm assuming that we're gonna have these two brands inside the box. So as always, it comes with a little foam on top, and then all the products are in the box. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out, and I do want to remind you guys that Boxycharm is all full-size products, and I think that that's the best part. There are other boxes out there that do cost you $20 to $21, and they are sample sizes, but then again, it does kind of depend on the brands because they're more on the higher end. So I mean, it's tit for tat, whatever you prefer. So let's just go ahead and get it. So the theme for this month is road tripping, so that's the little logo. So here they show us all the things that we get, so I'm gonna just go ahead and share with you guys. So first thing is this Pharmacy Bright On Vitamin C Mask. And it says, watch the magic happens as you massage this vitamin C clay mask onto your skin, turning from purple to green. The Pharmacy Bright On Mask removes impurities and buildups while improving your skin brightness, texture, and tone. So I'm actually very curious to see this change. So I'm gonna add a little bit on my arm, see if it actually does change colors, because that is so freaking awesome. So there's the purple. It's kind of hard to see because I do have you guys a little bit zoomed out. But I'm gonna go ahead and check in a little bit and see if it actually turns green. But as you guys can see, this is a brightening mask, so it's a clay mask. So you just go ahead, wash your face, make sure it's very squeaky clean. You apply it, you let it dry. Usually you can tell when it's dry. As they mentioned here, it turns green when it's dry, and then you just wash it off. It's not like a peel off mask or anything, but these do tend to make your skin very smooth and soft. So I'm super excited to try this. I suggest that you wear it for 5 to 10 minutes depending on your skin sensitivity. So if you're aware of that, if you don't know if you're sensitive to products, just go ahead and use it for 5 minutes and build your tolerance as you go. And it says rinse and rinse with water and apply 2 to 3 times a week. So that's the mask right here. And this is gonna cost, this full-size product costs $38, and you can get it at pharmacyroute.com. Next thing in the box is this Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher, and this costs $11.99. So let's go ahead and open it. This is in Desert Rose number 5. So that's the color that you get, and it says that it's designed to work with every skin tone. This luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with argan oil infused formula. So that's awesome. Obviously blushes, you guys know how they work. You just apply them on your cheeks, and it comes with a little brush right here in the back. Next thing in the box is this lipstick. No, it's actually a mascara. It's this mascara. It's from Wonder Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. The award-winning black intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to a new height, literally. This is gonna run you for $24. And honestly, for higher end mascaras, they do cost around the $20 range. It seems to be a quadruple threat because it's volumizing, lengthening, straightening, and conditioning. So hopefully the wand is good. Okay, so it's kind of a curvy wand, as you guys can tell. I'm not really the biggest fan of wands like this, but I do know a lot of people that like them because they do tend to go perfectly into your lash line. I am definitely going to go ahead and try this out because I am actually in the market for a new mascara. Next thing in the box is this Chala Beauty eyebrow cream, and it looks like this. I've tried this brand before. I've never heard of this brand prior to my subscription obsession, and I remember I used to get it a lot in my Ipsy bag subscriptions, this brand in general. And it has a little brush at one end and then the pomade in the other, so you just like dip it in there and then you do your eyebrows. I remember trying this product specifically, and I remember I didn't like the brush because it's very flimsy, but you can always go ahead and use your own eyebrow brush and just dip it in there. This is $26, so if you're in the market for a new brow product, you can go ahead and try this. If you're a fan of the pomade family, this is more of a creamy consistency, but it still works, I think. And last thing in the box is eyeshadow palette. This is from the brand Crown Brushes, and this is what the packaging looks like. Oh, it's a little bit dirty, but none of the shadows are broken. So these are the colors. And this says Fuego Eyeshadow Collection. Makeup of rich, warm tone shades. This creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite flawless eye looks. As it mentions, it does have 4 shimmers and 6 mattes. So the shimmers are scattered. So this is a shimmer, this is a shimmer, and then these 2 end colors are shimmers. So there's the first 5 top shades. As you guys could see, very pigmented. Those shimmery colors are awesome. So there's the bottom shades, as you guys could see, also very creamy and very pigmented. Okay, so those are the shades that come with the palette. As you guys could see, they're very pigmented when you do swatch them with your fingers. Keep in mind that when you're testing an eyeshadow product, it's not all about swatches. It's if it's gonna blend well, if it's gonna have good pigmentation when you use it with a brush, because using your finger, you have all the oils and the warmth, and it just like swatches so perfectly. But when you go in with a brush, sometimes it's not the best. That eyeshadow palette was $29.99, so that's a pretty good deal. So yeah, that's all we got this month. Let me go ahead and see how much the box was worth. So the total of this month's box was $130. So it's obviously way more of what you spend on the box. You're spending $21 to try out all these amazing new products that you probably haven't tried. I think it's so worth it. I really fell in love with this. I really fell in love with the eyeshadow palette, and I'm really excited to try out that new mascara. Okay guys, so that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'll leave it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. And just in case you guys are wondering about the mask, it never turned green.